What if I told you that one of the biggest limitations of anamorphic filmmaking might finally have a practical solution? For years, filmmakers have loved anamorphic lenses for their cinematic widescreen look, beautiful oval bokeh, and iconic lens flares. But there has always been one frustrating problem: getting close to a subject. Whether you're filming a luxury watch, the details of a product, the texture of food, or the tiny elements that make a scene feel immersive, anamorphic lenses have never been the easiest tools for close-up work. Most require additional accessories, special diopters, or complicated workarounds. That is exactly why the new SIRUI IronStar 100mm Anamorphic Macro lens is generating so much attention. This lens promises to bring true anamorphic storytelling and macro capability together in a way that few lenses have attempted before. The question is, does it actually deliver? Let's find out. At first glance, the IronStar 100mm looks like a typical professional cinema lens. It shares the same design language as the rest of SIRUI's growing IronStar lineup. Everything feels familiar and consistent. But hidden behind that familiar exterior is a feature that completely changes how filmmakers can use anamorphic optics. Unlike traditional anamorphic lenses that struggle when subjects get too close, this lens is specifically designed to focus at an incredibly short distance. That single feature immediately separates it from many competing options on the market. To understand why this is important, we need to talk about one of the most common frustrations cinematographers face when working with anamorphic glass. Most anamorphic lenses are fantastic for medium shots, wide shots, and cinematic portraits. However, when a director wants an extreme close-up of an object, things quickly become complicated. Suddenly, focus limitations become apparent. Additional accessories are needed. Shooting becomes slower. In some situations, filmmakers abandon the anamorphic lens altogether and switch to a dedicated macro lens. While that solves the technical problem, it often creates a visual mismatch because the macro shots no longer share the same anamorphic characteristics as the rest of the project. This is where the IronStar 100mm becomes genuinely interesting. Instead of forcing creators to choose between macro photography and anamorphic aesthetics, SIRUI has combined both capabilities into a single lens. The result is a tool that allows filmmakers to maintain visual consistency throughout an entire project while capturing detailed close-up shots that would normally require specialized equipment. Imagine filming a luxury product commercial. You start with dramatic widescreen shots showing the product in its environment. Then you move in closer, revealing textures, materials, and tiny design details. Traditionally, those close-up shots would require different lenses and potentially a different visual look. With the IronStar 100mm, you can keep the anamorphic character intact throughout the sequence. That creates a much more cohesive final image and gives filmmakers greater creative freedom. One of the most impressive specifications is the lens's close focusing distance. SIRUI has engineered the lens to focus dramatically closer than what many filmmakers expect from anamorphic optics. This opens up creative opportunities that were previously difficult or expensive to achieve. Product filmmakers immediately benefit. Commercial cinematographers gain a new storytelling tool. Documentary creators can capture detailed subject matter without sacrificing cinematic character. Even narrative filmmakers can use the lens to create visually striking insert shots that feel consistent with the rest of their footage. Of course, close focusing alone would not be enough to make this lens special if the image quality was disappointing. Fortunately, everything about the IronStar series suggests that SIRUI has placed a strong emphasis on delivering a professional cinematic image. The 1.5x squeeze factor plays a major role here. Many affordable anamorphic lenses use smaller squeeze ratios to simplify design and reduce costs. While those lenses can still produce attractive images, they often lack some of the dramatic anamorphic characteristics filmmakers are looking for. The 1.5x squeeze ratio strikes a sweet spot. It creates a noticeably wider image while maintaining manageable workflows in post-production. More importantly, it produces the visual traits that make anamorphic footage feel cinematic. Oval-shaped bokeh becomes more pronounced. Background highlights gain a distinctive appearance. The overall image feels larger and more immersive. These characteristics are subtle when viewed individually, but together they create the visual magic that has made anamorphic lenses so popular in Hollywood productions. Another aspect worth discussing is focal length. A 100mm lens naturally creates strong subject separation and background compression. This means subjects stand out more clearly from their surroundings. For portrait-style cinematography, the effect can be stunning. Faces appear flattering. Backgrounds become softer and more cinematic. Combined with anamorphic rendering, the result can look incredibly premium. The longer focal length also makes the lens ideal for product work. Instead of standing extremely close to a subject, filmmakers can maintain comfortable working distances while still filling the frame with detail. This makes lighting easier, camera placement more flexible, and overall production more efficient. Small advantages like these often make a huge difference during real-world shoots. One thing that surprised many filmmakers when the specifications were announced was the t2.8 maximum aperture. Some expected a faster aperture, especially considering that certain shorter IronStar lenses offer brighter t1.9 performance. On paper, that might seem like a disadvantage. However, there is more to the story. Lens design is always a balancing act. Engineers constantly make decisions involving size, weight, cost, image quality, and performance. By choosing a t2.8 aperture, SIRUI was able to maintain consistency across the lineup while supporting the complex optical design required for macro functionality. In practical use, many filmmakers will likely find this trade-off acceptable. Modern cameras perform exceptionally well in low light, and the creative flexibility gained through macro capability arguably outweighs the loss of a few stops of light. The physical design deserves attention as well. Professional filmmakers know that consistency across a lens lineup can save significant time on set. When lenses share similar dimensions, gear positions, and weight distribution, changing lenses becomes much easier. Gimbals require fewer adjustments. Follow focus systems remain aligned. Matte boxes fit without modification. Every minute saved during production matters, and SIRUI appears to understand this reality. Build quality also appears aimed at serious filmmakers rather than casual hobbyists. The lens includes cinema-focused features such as standardized gearing, professional mounting options, and compatibility with common filmmaking accessories. These may seem like small details, but they help the lens integrate smoothly into professional production environments. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of the IronStar 100mm is what it represents for the future of affordable cinema lenses. Over the last several years, anamorphic filmmaking has become significantly more accessible. What was once reserved for major Hollywood productions is now available to independent filmmakers, content creators, and small production companies. SIRUI has been one of the companies driving that change. Instead of simply copying existing designs, they continue exploring new ideas that make anamorphic shooting more practical. The introduction of a macro anamorphic lens is a perfect example. Rather than focusing only on image quality improvements, SIRUI addressed a real-world problem that filmmakers encounter every day. That problem-solving approach is often what separates a good product from a genuinely useful one. Who should consider buying this lens? Product filmmakers are probably the most obvious audience. The ability to capture close-up details while maintaining anamorphic character is incredibly valuable for commercial work. Documentary creators may also appreciate the flexibility. Narrative filmmakers can use the lens for dramatic insert shots and unique visual storytelling opportunities. Even content creators looking to elevate their production value could find significant creative potential here. On the other hand, filmmakers who prioritize maximum low-light performance above everything else may prefer faster alternatives. Likewise, those who rarely shoot close-up details may not fully benefit from the lens's standout feature. As always, the right lens depends on the type of stories you tell. After looking at everything the SIRUI IronStar 100mm anamorphic macro lens brings to the table, it becomes clear that this is more than just another addition to an existing lens lineup. It solves a long-standing challenge in anamorphic filmmaking while maintaining the cinematic qualities that creators love. The combination of a 100mm focal length, 1.5x anamorphic squeeze, professional cinema design, and true macro capability creates a package that feels genuinely unique in today's market. In an industry where many new lens releases feel like minor updates, the IronStar 100mm stands out because it offers something different. It gives filmmakers a new creative tool rather than simply another specification upgrade. And sometimes, those are the products that end up making the biggest impact. So, is the SIRUI IronStar 100mm anamorphic macro lens worth your attention? Absolutely. It may not be the fastest lens in its class, but its ability to combine close-up macro shooting with authentic anamorphic aesthetics makes it one of the most exciting cinema lens releases of the year. For filmmakers searching for new ways to tell visual stories, this could be the lens that unlocks shots they previously thought were impossible. Final verdict, 9 out of 10. The SIRUI IronStar 100mm anamorphic macro is innovative, practical, and creatively inspiring. It addresses one of the biggest weaknesses of anamorphic filmmaking while preserving the cinematic look that makes anamorphic lenses so desirable. For many filmmakers, that combination alone makes it a standout addition to the modern cinema lens market.